Hola, clase. We're going to take a few minutes now to enroll ourselves into www.conjuguemos.com, setting up an account so that you can use the practice vocabulary and verb activities. And along with that comes some games that you can play individually, or you can challenge your classmates or other people enrolled in the course on conjuguemos to do. Now, if you have a conjuguemos account from last year that you can use the same login and password, you will skip the setting up an account steps and go to, and at the end of the video, I'll quickly show you how to add yourself to my class without having to set up an account. So let's start with, do me a favor and yourself a favor, jot down this teacher code before we get started, AQMPGM, because you need that to find me on conjuguemos, to find my classes. Make sure you have the spelling of conjuguemos correct. If you put that in the toolbar, www.conjuguemos.com, on a page, you will come to a page that looks like this. You're in the right place when you see the froggy. You're going to click sign up. You are a student. You are going to put in your personal info. Again, if you already have a conjuguemos account, you can skip this step. The next few steps, setting up an account, and I'll show you how to add yourself to my class at the end. So I'm going to make up a student just so that I can show you the process. So first name, last name, make it the name I would know you from in class that I see on my roll, or if you go by a nickname for your first name, that's fine, but I need your actual last name, please. Create a username. You will have a teacher's code, so you can use any username you like. You might want to register with your email address that I think gives you the benefit of resetting your own password. But two things. One, I can see your usernames. Once you're enrolled in my class, you will appear on a roll in conjuguemos for me, so I can see your results and your practices. So I will see your username. I will not see your password, but I can reset it if you forget it. Now, it would be helpful to have a password you remember so that you don't have to ask me to reset it for you when you're trying to practice. So create a username that's memorable. I'm going to make this super easy so that I can find it later, since I make a lot of practice accounts. Password, something you will remember. Again, I can see your username. Make it school appropriate. I can't see your password, so if you forget it, I have to look it up for you. So teacher code is where that code I had you write down a moment ago comes in. You type that in there, AQMPGM, and pause if you need a moment to finish filling that out. Apparently I did not enter the same value again. There we go. I'm going to hit continue. It's going to say, now if you're set, you can save your password. I would still write it down somewhere so you remember it. You're not quite done yet. So once you've created your account, you need to add yourself to my class. So click login. And I've saved my username and password, so you can type yours in if you haven't. Log yourself in. Click join class. And you've used my code to create your account, so you already know which teacher you have. Just select class. 2020 S1 Spanish 2 is what you're looking for. You collect that. You update. And there you are. You are in now. At the set moment, by the time you watch this video, I will have added some practice activities. But at the moment, as long as you see Profigilry 2020 S1 Spanish 2, you're in the right place. Now, let's imagine, this is for the folks that already created their account, that you have an account from your previous Spanish class and you just want to move yourself into my class. Go ahead and sign yourself into that account. And then you click the Join Teacher Class button. Okay, so first you need to join the teacher, me, unless, of course, you had me before. So you're assigned to, so it's going to show you who you're assigned to. I'm assigned to Lisa's assigned to me, but I'm going to pretend I wanted to switch to someone else's class. So I'm going to leave the teacher I'm assigned to. So it might be Miss Compton or Miss Smith from last semester, Miss Bryant or Miss Opwall, depending on which school you were at. So click leave. Now, you've got a message you don't know, you're not in a class. You want to join a teacher. So click join teacher. Here, click teacher, and this is where you put that lovely code that I showed you. I'm going to show you again. AQMPGM. Just put in my code, AQMPGM. I'm going to paste that in. It's going to bring up, you've joined me as a teacher. The next step is to join the class. So you'll click class, you'll click the drop down, you'll go to 2020 S1 Spanish 2, you'll click update, and you will have moved into my class. So different ways to do, to either create an account, or if you already have an account, to move yourself into my class. Okay, and that is how to get into conjuguemos. We will be looking in class a little bit at how to use conjuguemos, or perhaps we'll do a future video. So that is it for today. Let me stop the video.